Hello Stampers, and thank you so much for joining me today. This is Laura Buechler of Inky Fingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Now today I'm going to show you how to make a shaker card with the super fun Bonanza Buddies bundle and the Birthday Bonanza Designer Series paper. All of these are in your spring mini catalog. This suite is terrific for all kinds of birthdays, not just for kids. The animals are so adorable and the sentiments are really lovely. I love this one. I'm glad it's your birthday so I can tell you how wonderful you are. So your cardstock measurements are a card base of 8.5 by 5.5 inches, Designer Series paper of 4 by 5.25 inches, and then I've got these 3 pieces that I'm going to turn into the shaker. I used one of the dies from the Birthday Bonanza bundle to cut these shapes. And you'll notice that on this one, I also used one of the stitched rectangles to cut out the center. So that's where this is going to be the front of my shaker, and you'll be able to see the shaker elements in that little opening. If you want to create a shaker card, you can create it with any shape that you want. You could use one of your circle punches or a star shape or whatever you like. It just so happens that I used this tag shape. Now, if you want to turn the card into a shaker card, you'll need a few extra items. The window sheet, which I'm going to talk more about later. You'll also need foam adhesive strips, which are available in your annual catalog. And you'll need something to fill the shaker with. It could be sequins like I'm using, or punched shapes, pom-poms, etc., etc. You'll also need some scrap white cardstock for stamping the super cute animals to decorate the card. Now I'm going to start by attaching my DSP to my card front. Now I've already stamped and die cut a few cute little animals along with some hats. So they're all ready to go. So the next thing I need to do is do some fun stamping on this white tag piece, which is going to be the back of my shaker. Now I can go ahead and put the shaker part of this card together. So I'm going to start by attaching my window sheet piece to the tag that's going to be on the front of the shaker. And you can see that I've cut out the little bit at the top here. That's so if I want to put a piece of twine through my tag, the window sheet isn't going to block me from doing that. I'm going to use my foam adhesive strips and I'm going to run them all around this center rectangle cutout. And the goal here is to make sure that there are no little gaps where my shaker bits could come out. See how I've got a little gap there? I don't want that. I'm going to make sure I fill it in. Okay, so now I'm going to run my finger around the inside of this foam strip just to remove any extra stickiness on that side because I don't want my sequins to stick to the tape. All right, now we can add the shaker bits. I'm using some of these sequins that were available in the recent celebration, and there are also sequins available in your annual catalog and your spring mini catalog, as well as Like I said before, you could use pom-poms or other fabric bits. You could use bits of cardstock that you've punched out, or even bits of things that you've stamped on and punched out. Anything that you like to go inside your shaker card. So once the bits are inside, I can peel off the backing of the foam strips, and then I can put the white piece face down onto that so that my whole shaker is assembled. Alright, there's my shaker with my fun stamping that I did inside there, and now sequins adding even more color. So now I can attach this to the front of my card and then add these cute little animals to decorate as well. And there's my finished card. Now remember that you'll get a chance to win this card when you share the video. Leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this card in the mail. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. And if there's something specific that you'd like to learn about, please let me know. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find more project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, the local workshop schedule, and the sign up for my monthly email newsletter. If you're watching this on YouTube, I want to let you know that I have a Facebook page called Inky Fingers Papercrafting, where you can join a weekly creative challenge and win a prize from me. If you do place an order, please use the current Hostess code, which you can find on my website, because everyone who uses that code will get a free gift from me. If you'd like to earn your own Hostess rewards, all you need to do is place an order of over $200 or contact me and we'll start planning your own virtual or in-home party. Drop me a line for more details. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stampin'. Bye!